Pictures on your phone. I'm gonna take a picture of it and send it to you. Ew!
Oh, I'm sorry, it slipped. I know it was nasty. It slipped.
You are nasty.
I know. Oh, I'm sorry. Jesus, didn't see you there.
And that's the one you want. You can't carry that. It's too heavy. We'll go get your wagon.
These come with free gas. You buy one of these?
They give you free gas?
I think so.
Is that what it says? No. He's like you, Jimmy.
Free gas.
Special assistance needed at the ceramic tile. Special assistance needed at the ceramic tile.
Dude, it got stuck.
Sounds like it. That's this one.
Special assistance needed.
I believe we need